how to share Instagram story to WhatsApp status. So if you want to share your Instagram story to your WhatsApp status, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. Now after opening your Instagram, like for example, I don't have any story right here, so I'll just simply go and add a story. Now wait a few seconds, and once your story has been uploaded, now if you want to share this Instagram story to your WhatsApp status, you need to go with WhatsApp, which is here on the bottom. In my case, I've already linked my WhatsApp to my Instagram account, so my WhatsApp is just showing right there. But if you don't find the WhatsApp option, then you need to open up your story and then go with the three dots, which is here on the bottom. And once you tap on it, you will have an option of copy link. You need to tap on copy link, then it will show you all the apps in which you can share, or you can also just simply go with the share, which is right below the copy link, and then it will show you all of the applications where you would share or where you can share. So just scroll down and then find the WhatsApp. Once you find your WhatsApp, you need to tap on the WhatsApp, and here you need to go with my status, which is on the top, and then add it to your status. That's how you can share your Instagram story to your WhatsApp status. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.